Hello, third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade. Welcome to week number 11, actually, week number 11. And what we're going to be doing in week number 11 is we're going to be doing a thing called book bag fitness. So you're going to basically need your backpack or a bag of some sort, or even just, some sort of book or heavy book or object that you can jump over. Today we are going to be doing. Here's your warm up. Remember to do your warm up before you start class or before you start this video. So if you haven't done your warm up, make sure you go back and do your warm up. Okay, so here's our what, why, and how today. We have what are we learning about? We are learning about a new way to be healthy called Tabata. We're going to be learning about how to overcome challenges still and how to react to them. And finally, we are going to be learning about how to protect our health through exercise. There are many different ways to create a workout. That's a why. Another why is that we need to review how to stay healthy through exercise. And finally, the other last why is there's always going to be challenges to overcome. How will I know that I have learned it or that you have learned it? I can discuss what it means to be healthy and have good health. I can talk about challenges in physical activity and how it makes you stronger. And I can describe what Tabata training is. So here's what a Tabata circuit looks like. Tabata is a fancy word for having 20 seconds of exercise and 10 seconds of rest. So when you add those together, it's one circuit, and that'll be 30 seconds. There are 8 rounds in total for 4 minutes. All right, so you would be 20 seconds of exercise, and you take 10 seconds of rest, and you either move on to another exercise, like we will today, or in some Tabatas, you can stay with the same exercise just for 8 rounds. So you could do push-ups, you could do jumping jacks, any of those types of things you would be doing on your own and all of that. The equipment that you're going to need today for book bag fitness is you're going to need a backpack or a bag, or you're going to need some sort of book or something that you can jump over, something that is safe, and something that can be heavier or lighter with every exercise. And then you're going to fill it with objects. So you can fill it with pillows, you can fill it with books, you can fill it with toys, you can fill it with, I don't know, really anything that's not going to break or, go all over. So maybe don't fill it up with water or whatever, but just make sure you're filling it up with something so it has a little bit of weight to it. Now it's time for us to practice our moves. So remember to take this time to practice these moves. I'm going to go through each one of them, and then I'm going to move on quickly. Then I'll take you through one round of our Tabata. So here are the moves. Move 1 is called a lateral hop. You're going to put your backpack on the ground, and you're going to hop over the backpack side to side. So that's what lateral is. So you're laterally moving across and over the backpack. Move 2, you're going to use a plank drag. So you're going to be in a push-up plank, and you're going to pull your backpack with your opposite side arm to your other side. So if it's on your right side, you're going to use your left hand to drag it over to your left side. And if it's on your left side, you're going to use your right hand to drag it over to your right side. Move 3 are called rows. So what you're going to do is you're going to lean over. Notice how this person has a nice straight back. It's not rounded. And you're going to pull from the straps, and you're going to pull it up to your chest and then bring it back down to the ground. Then we have burpees over the bag. So you're going to do a burpee on each side and jump over it laterally like the lateral hops, except for this is a burpee. Then you're going to do overhead press. So you're going to hold the backpack on its sides, and you're going to push it over your head, and then you're going to bring it back down to your chest. So from chest straight up over your head, hence why it's called the overhead press. Then there's the deadlift. The deadlift, you're going to have a nice straight back. You're going to bend over, and you're going to pick up your backpack from the bottom and from the top. So you're going to grip it, hold it from the top and from the bottom, and you're going to stand up and then put it back down on the ground. And you'll do that for 20 seconds. Then move 7 is called a swing. You're going to hold your backpack from either the straps, both straps, or from the top hook, and you're going to swing it between your legs and up. Swing it between your legs and up. You don't have to have the backpack go very high. Then there's going to be the push-up drag. It's the same as the plank drag, except for you're going to do a push-up and then drag it across. Push up and drag it across. Alrighty, so now it's time for our Tabata. So remember, a Tabata is a high intensity interval training workout because the intervals will be 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and you will be doing it very quickly. That's what the high intensity is. So you'll be doing it really quickly. So here we go. Here comes our Tabata. So we're going to do our dance monkey Tabata. I'm going to play this song right here, and it's going to take you through. Now, in this one, you're going to do round 1. You're going to do lateral hops or plank drags. Then it's going to go on to the next round. So after you've done one of these for 20 seconds, after your 10-second break, you're going to do one of these ones for 20 seconds. And then you're going to take a 10-second break, and then you're going to move on to one of these and pick one of those for 20 seconds. Then you're going to have a 10-second break, and then you'll pick one of these. Then when you go back over here for round 5, you're going to do the one that you didn't do. So if you didn't do plank drags, then you're going to do plank drags. Make sure you're doing all of the exercises. Okay, so this is round 1 and round 5. This is 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. They will tell you what round you are on. So here we go. Round 1 is starting. Pick one of these exercises. Ready, set, go.
Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 1.
Take your 10-second break. Now you're going to look at the green box. Pick from the green box.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 2.
Take your rest. Then you're going to be looking at the red box for round 3. Red box.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 3.
Now we're looking at the blue box for round 4. Blue box.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 4.
Now you're going to look at the yellow box again, so pick the one you did not do the first round.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 5.
Now we're looking at the green box again. Remember to pick the one that you did not do the last time.
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 6.
We're looking at the red box, everybody. Round 7. Red box. Pick the one you did not choose last time.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 7.
Last round, we're going to be looking at the blue box. One of those exercises.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Very good, everybody. You are done with that round. Make sure you do one more, so you can either do the Survivor one if you want to, or you can just replay this video and do that as well. Make sure that you take a look at the slideshow. That's going to have all of these exercises and more on there, just so you have more practice if you need it. But other than that, have fun and great job today.